marriage of the Lamb is come, and his wife has made herself ready.
There's an army rising up to declare the praise of God upon the earth. There's a people waking up with the fear of God in their hearts, with his fire in their mouths. There's a nation rising forth, singing holy, holy, holy is the Lord. There's a people breaking off with the fear of God in their hearts, with his fire in their mouths. A generation being brought forth, singing worthy, worthy, worthy is the Lord. And they are rising, marching, breaking forth, with the fear of God in their hearts, with his fire in their mouths. And behold, the Son of God. Behold, the Son of God. Oh, behold, the Son of God. His praises fills the temple, his glory fills the earth. And behold, the Son of God. Behold,